Enda Ghana ensem bebra eba nkrofo adwen bontanta trese nkrofo kasa omo adwemu ayomo na se omo atete se aban new curriculum abode ba emma eye primary for no ensensem bi ewom enkaye anse ya beto as na subscribe na click the notification bell no na this particular audio and podcast amiye mesre nyaso na tie mi ye pa na asem no bebia ne kre no wono ye de beto media minim me be kan sema omo ekotia MPP fo no mo abase wo ye NDC ni me kan sema ekotia NDC fo no mo abase wo ye MPP ni nti asem we mesre mu yim asuna mu ntie because nkrofo de enyama bi ye politics e wo Ghana ha sei na se what ensem what say ngofo bebre kan se aban aye na adwen se what the new curriculum ba ye kan se bibi curriculum na twe se ade aye hwe so ama ya tremo ade wo school no wo bi a wako school Ghana primary bia no nim se class 1 ye tremo sei class 2 ye tremo sei class 3 ye tremo sei aban aye na adwen se wo be sesa nyama nim because enyama asisi aye tre no nyama tetetetetefo no na wo musua basisi anu wiase no akonenim nti se yanso ya pese ye tumpon ekoyenima wo se ye den yesesa ye waste na ye sia senior wiase ekonenim ne yanso ye koyenim nti aban na do se wo the new curriculum ba for the elementary school ye ka elementary school ye be ka primary and this are GSS na wo mo the basic and the elementary school na aban na do se what the new curriculum ba no ngofo bebre kasa se aban the new curriculum ba masisia no ye betre nkola no de gay ye lesbian ye ama nkola ne krampo no wo mo be choose say wo mo pese wo mo dan gay and wo pese mo dan lesbian na e je for mo tie nkomo ye o we ne nsema na ebi mo ka say new curriculum na ba no e betre nkola no say gay fo no wo mo nso ye nipa lesbian fo no so wo mo nso ye nipa intino boni bi enim ene sanyama eno ne nsema ana eno ne nkoma na ekoso ebo Ghana Moses for ameni ana Moses for amoni san ye beka no Moses for amoni wo ye former boxing Ghana Boxing Association and Ghana Association of Boxing and Ghana Boxing Association GBA wo ye wo former president wo ye obi a ye nim se Ghana ha se ye kan obi a wo kasetia eye gain semu a wo no wo ye number 1 na wo pesa gain ni sa lesbian nsem no wo ba bonten nsem bi betuja se wo ko hwehwe mu no abaya ye na dwen se wo betre gay nsem ene lesbian nsem na ye tre ye nkola na sa ade na enye nti oba bonten de sa asem no ebetuja ena eye catholic fo nianso catholic bishops omo so aba bonten de nsem abetuja se education minister wadada yen wo hwe nsem abode beto abonten a yakoechi akote se wo betre nkola ne gay ene eye lesbian nsem nti ngofo calling on the Christian Council say wo monka sentia this new curriculum aban edeba no na etie for I have the curriculum guideline wo menim say na de na ye ne say me widi atremo na ya hwe say indeed aban ebetre nkola no say be gay ene lesbian nsem ana na me widi chewi we don't know senior Catholic bishops ne kasa no ye nim because in the guidelines clearly me be read actual no aban ambos wo be bia se wo betre gay and lesbian nsem but nkrofo kasa nkrofo kesetia aban no on this particular thing intiate for me reading show na the guideline no was say primary 1 class 1 for see the better mo values and society social norms what we believe in na to say class 1 no in class 6 years no ye better mo say Ghana there in same say na ye gidi and ye better mo say okay oba Ghana we wa ha okwa abrochia we wa ha ati asese amro for no legalize sa gay ni sa lesbian nsem no into ko ha we wa ha but Ghana we na ye gitum for now in class 1 no eno ne nyama ye better mo na the second thing and the second model ye be sanso atro mo personal hygiene oral and hygiene na trese se be wo mo num se na obetumi twitwo mo num ye na wo mo omo kipi omo hu ye personal hygiene nkola no sisi aye betre mo se na wo be kipi omo hu neat because wa wonim say class 1 na ye 6 years for na ya na wo mo taye wo mo ho poto ndi say be tro mo senia wo mo be keep wo mo ho neat ye bi am ya tro mo myself being a male or a female not to say a man ye tro mo their self in be man so ye tro wo mo their self eno na the educational guideline model for class 1 say the new educational curriculum for the basic school no into class 1 sisi ansem way and anyama way any ebe trauma. Class 2 sisi the ebe trauma reflecting on our own attitudes. Not just say yan kasa yesubai. Class 2 no ebe trauma say wo mo kasa wo musubai wo mo ndwe ho. Na class 2 na so yasansa trauma personal hygiene, body hygiene. Class 1 dey trauma say you make twetwe mo num ne nyama. Class 2 dey trauma say wo mo bedware wo mo hu nia be fine. Womu wi ande asanso trauma roles and responsibilities as a child. There ever say akola wo ye because class 2 dey so say womu anwo class 2 no dodo na 87 years. Now womu kwa class 3 a the ebe trauma ni recognition whether something is fair or unfair. Not just say class 3 no sisi the ebe trauma say okay BBC a one kasa na wo class 3 no dwe hu ne hu say adie we a esi sebe eye ana enye. Into class 3 no the new model na yebetrom no back on one of the models no no the second model I yebetrom understanding interpersonal relationships and types and forms say wo bete wo ho ase say oh woni we say wo ye minia we say wo ye me cousin we wo ye madam for what you say into wo te wo ho ase say oh minia ni mi auntie ni mi uncle ni eno ni ade a yebetrom se say e wo class 3 no. Now you are from families and relationships in our lives. Not just say yes, you trauma ebusia and ninia kahubi. Class 3 new model I ever trauma ni. You are trauma concept of gender, maleness and females. Not just say you trauma woba send ya woba tie send ya woba matie because class 3 no you say that time no you are still developing. Into who we are class 4 no so you be boss human growth and development life cycle just say ni person ya wuni life cycle no you be na asansa trauma knowing about one's body, sexual and reproductive organs. Not just say who na we say okay sabi me nufuni sabi me bemani sabi me bani ye di yese sanya mani e be trauma e class 4. Yes also be trauma seeking health care. Not just say class 4 ho na ye be say ye trauma say wo yare a say we call hospital who to me call hospital by the end of this new educational reform no we say class omo class 4 na kra no wo yare a wo metumi a share wo mo awofo say yemfa wo mo enko hospital na we no what you say yes so ebe trauma developing self esteem senia wo beji wo hu edi ye be trauma e wo class 4 senia wo wankasa wo betumi agi wo hu edi say ade we betumi aye mi say mi ye nipa say betumi aye bibi say ye we are class 4 no ye asansa trauma leadership skills senia e wo say wo be dan leader wo be dan obi asebe wo be leading crofo na class 5 no the other trauma religion and social values. Ni asanso trauma puberty changes as we grow, relationship, friendship, dating and courtship. That is a class 5 no ya be trauma senya ya twempena ya be trauma sanya mani now relationships, friendships, dating and courtship. Sisi ya be trauma sanya mani wa class 5 empena twie ene sanya mano ye we are near trauma the population of Ghana. Now it's here for this is a guideline I'm actually having here. Guideline I'm one from class 1 to class 5. Now class 5 no maybe 10 it yesusu say by the time you be rolling out this guideline which is I think this semester and Yebeka said this term no by next year next 2-3 years in Kolano it was say wo mu ye Nkola so wo mu ni nyama bebre now we and nkrofo kasa etia guidelines yi nkrofo susu say baby guidelines no kasa no utumi hu ensem bi say to say values and society and social norms and what we believe in ye chan Kolano date shape any send ye date any sanyama no wo mu susu say enye adepa na ebimu susu say these things can ebetumi amankola na ebimu abedane gay ebimu so betumi abedane lesbians because we are exposing they are too young and we are exposing them to a lot of things are eye empenyimfo na ewo say wo mo ye den wo mo hu clearly in the guideline na mum de aba no wo mo ambo so say wo ye betro mo say we ye gay we ye lesbian clearly wo mo ambo so but impanyifo a ewo Ghana kasa say akoye say ehyehyensem ase because omo de brofo keke na aba but uko ensenimu a ye betre nkola ne san nyama ni na intina initially me bottle say impanyifo we aba Ghana sorry impanyifo we a ewo Ghana sorry the Ghana boxing, the former Ghana boxing president, the Catholic Bishop Association, Niano, Womonsa Babonti, Kasa Eta, this new curriculum, native for the media the media, as far as what I have read, no media, I didn't see any gay, any lesbian in Sambia home. But Modia Montreal Madrid, our comment box, motive for Medase.